Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power and confirming 0 voltage, safety first. Once done, expose the ceiling rows or switch box and clear space to work. Strip 6-8 mm of insulation from each conductor, because a clean bite ensures a reliable connection. Now position the regulator beside the switch box and prepare the live input and load wires. You'll connect live to the regulator L terminal and the regulator output to the fan live. Make sure neutrals remain joined. You'll now make the key connections carefully. First, insert the incoming live into the regulator L terminal and tighten firmly, not over tight but secure. Next, route the regulator OUT terminal to the fan live conductor and fasten it. Once connected, confirm neutrals are twisted or in a connector block so the fan has a return path. Then attach earth wires to the grounding point to prevent shocks. After each step, gently tug wires to verify firmness, and tidy cables to avoid strain. Once everything is tight and insulated, turn the breaker back on and test the regulator by sweeping from minimum to maximum. You should hear a smooth change in speed. If the fan hums, flickers, or won't change speed, make sure live and load aren't swapped. Recheck neutral continuity and inspect the regulator for internal faults. Sometimes a suppression capacitor fixes noise. If problems persist, shut power off before rechecking terminals, and consider replacing the regulator or consulting a qualified.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.